friends, I am going to explain about neuron and nerve fiber. What is the difference between neuron and nerve fibers, and also about the glial cells, that is your two types, microglia and macroglia, and the difference in between that. First, I am going to start from neuron. Neuron is your present in your central nervous system, and there is no difference in between neuron and nerve fibers. Both are the same meaning, fibers, but the difference is that it is present in your peripheral nervous system, and neuron is your present in your central nervous system. The first difference is there. And now I'm going to talk about central nervous system. Then there is your first cell, that is your neuron, and then second cell, that is your glial cell. Glial cell, again, it is two types, micro and macro and macroglial cell. Now the neuron and glial cell, when we take the ratio of neuron and glial cell, neuron, whenever there is on one neuron there is a 10 glial cell. And what is glial cell? Actually, it is your supporting cell. Then on one neuron there is a 10 glial cell for support present for the neuron. Then 1:10 ratio, easily you can see. And after that, I am talking about glial cell, that is the micro and macroglia. Macroglia have function, there is a phagocytosis. I am not going to write because you have to just focus on understanding. There is a phagocytosis function of macroglia. Macroglia, now in brief I am going to explain macroglia. It is of three types. It means three things I am going to include in this. First one is your astrocyte, second one is your oligodendrocyte, and third one is Schwann cells. Three cells included in your macroglia. First one is the astrocyte, have function forming blood-brain barrier. Okay, oligodendrocyte and Schwann cell both have same function, that is the myelin sheath formation. But the difference is that oligodendrocyte is present in your central nervous system and Schwann cell present in your peripheral nervous system. Both have same function, that myelin sheath formation. But if myelin formation occurs in your central nervous system, then we call that cell oligodendrocyte, and whenever there is a myelin formation in peripheral nervous system, then we call that cell as a Schwann cell. It is the main difference. Okay, now this is about your neuron and nerve fiber, and the glial supporting cell, micro and macroglia. And your macroglia is a function as phagocytosis. Macroglia is your three types, astrocyte, three cells including that, astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, and Schwann cells. Function of that, astrocyte is a star-shaped cell. Astrocyte, we write like that. That's why astrocyte is a star-shaped cell, and function is of forming blood-brain barrier. And also this is a trick, AB is a forming blood-brain barrier. And your oligodendrocyte and Schwann cell both have same function, that myelin sheath formation, but oligodendrocyte forming myelin in your central nervous and peripheral nervous system. It is very basic topic, but it is very high, that's why I am explaining like that. Now for next topic, you can see my next video about after that topic.